Hello friends, it's Danny here, and it is day 24 of my Tag a Day November series. In the description box below, you will find links to the playlist for this year's tags, as well as the playlist for all the tags on my channel, and I will list any supplies that are still available. Yesterday I said I was kind of burned out on tags. Well, that must have been what I needed because I had a whole bunch of ideas come to me. So the next few days will be easy peasy. So that's always good. So on to what I used for today's tag. I used the Pink and Main shaker tag. And I did not use the little pieces that make like the embellishments for the shaker, but I did make a shaker tag. And then I used the Scrappy Boy Stamps Vintage Christmas paper pad. This paper pad is gorgeous. I used the Scrappy Boy Stamps Stitch Circle Nesting Dies. I did use some shaker bits from This Calls for Confetti. I didn't look at them before I started filming, so I'm not sure if they're available or not. You can use any of your shaker bits that you have, or if that die cuts out some. And I did use the Pink and Main Merry and Bright foilable kit. I like that it has these sentiments you can use. And I used the Shattered Red Cheer Foil. So here is my shaker tag for today. Shake, shake. I love shaking it and seeing all those bits go everywhere. I did not use foam to make this. I'm going to insert a picture now. What I do is I cut out lots of that layer, and then I glue them all together to make the little well for the shaker bits. If that doesn't make sense, let me know and I can try to do a tutorial on it. It's really easy. I find it easier on things when it's like skinny like this, so that you don't have to mess with the foam. So that is my tag today. You can see that foiled piece, just so pretty. And that pretty paper, I love how it turned out. This is another one that'll be hard to give away because I just like how it turned out so much, but I can always recreate it if I want to. So there is day 24's tag, and until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.